Hey guys, it's me, Lily, sorry about that. And today I have a special guest named Mercedes, my BFF, closest friend, actually. Ow! So today we're going to be showing you all of my slimes and her slimes. And
putties.
Putties.
3 putties.
Putties, yeah. So I guess we could
Let's
get started
on with the first one.
So yeah, we're gonna be both,
Okay.
How about we both take one slime and we do it at the same time?
Okay, that's yours.
So this is my slime I'm doing.
This is my slime that I'm doing.
So this one's a
It's more like
slime.
a putty because it's really hard.
Dang it! Anyway, this is my jiggly slime. It's an orange, like
Orangish, pinkish color because my little sister mixed a pink one in with orange.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And I got this purplish, bluish putty. It's really stiff
But this is really cool. It's like jiggly
and it feels weird.
It feels really weird though. It's like sticky and it kind of makes your hands weird. I don't actually suggest.
Avery.
Sorry about that. We had an interruption. I can't stop.
Interruption.
Anyway,
Go,
that's
Avery.
Mercedes' little sister. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Sorry about that. Our camera keeps falling down. Anyway, I suggest you can get this one, but I suggest if you want messy things, I suggest you get this, and if you don't want messy things, I suggest you not. So,
let's move on to the next slime. I'm doing this one.
I'm gonna do a putty, and the putty I'm going to do.
I'm doing this one next.
The putty I'm going to do is I'm going to do this putty.
I'm doing this,
and it's
red
called
slime.
It's called Snow Day Putty, Thinking Putty.
I'm doing this red sticky slime. Like it's really sticky, so
as you can see, it's very hard to open these things.
Lily, guess what?
Anyway, another interruption. That's
By
okay.
my sister. Again. Avery, stop.
We had another interruption. That's okay. Anyway, this is my Snow Day Putty, which is really nice.
And this is really, really, really sticky, so I'm going to put it up.
But yeah, this is the Snow Day slime. And it is a clear, sparkly white slime, which is really nice.
What?
But yeah, as you can see, we have
Avery
a
dancing
show in the background.
I farted.
It tickled my butt cheek, jiggled. It was hot. It was
burning, so I did it again.
That's not how you say. Anyway, random singing time.
Random.
Yeah.
That's why it's called random.
Exactly. But anyway, I'm gonna go on to the next slime. So
get this off of me.
And the slime that she's playing with is stuck on her. So
I'll be right back.
She'll be right back, and I'm gonna show you some other slimes. So that'll be fun.
Avery, these two on. Lily, I'm doing these two next.
Okay. Anyway, yeah. So I'm just gonna put the slime up, just like that, and I'm gonna do the next slime called Stardust Putty, Thinking Putty. I need to go get something quick. So I'm sorry about the
interruption. I'm just trying to get something right now.
Obviously, I can't find it right now, but that's okay. Anyway, what I was looking for, it was a black light that you put over this putty, which makes it glow. And same with this putty. So, yeah.
Can I play putty? No. Like that putty?
Fine. Play with it right here, I guess. Anyway, Mercedes' little sister is going to play with this putty while Mercedes is washing her hands. And, yeah. But she's not going to talk. You can talk, just don't talk about the slime, okay? But I'm trying to open this putty.
I feel it. It's hard. This one's hard.
Anyway, yeah. There's Mercedes and Avery.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Moving.
I want to play a
Sorry about that. That was the camera falling down. Linden Bridge is falling down. So, technical difficulties. We still have technical difficulties. Put it away.
Can you open this one?
Put this on. Are you kidding me? Your camera's bad.
We're not going to show this one because it's really sticky.
Anyway, this is the Stardust one. And I cannot find the black light to it, by the way. Just saying.
They both
I already talked about that.
Black light.
But
is this the black light?
Found it. So we just found the black
Can you
light.
open this for me?
Well, it's cool.
You're welcome.
Anyway.
You guys missed a putty.
Oh, we have another putty.
Avery, look in there for another black light like that. Here's some. Okay. That one we already used. I know.
Dang.
Lily.
What?
You might want to throw that away, right?
It's not throw away. It's a... Never mind.
Do you have the black light?
Oh.
Dream of my Christmas.
Anyway, that hurt very badly. Anyway, but here's the...
Why do you keep on saying? You guys, I found another one of them.
Ooh, give it. Here is the Stardust one.
I'm gonna feed my little pet.
And if you hold it on there, it'll glow for just a second.
Lily,
Let me see if it can do it again.
This
But there
is
it goes. It's glowing!
This is Blue Moon Thinking Putty.
It's glowing again. Look how cool that is. It's very, very cool. And if you just shine the light on it, it'll start glowing. And if you put it on there, it'll glow very much. And it looks really, really cool. It looks like
Okay, move, Lily.
a really cool
Your
thing.
hand.
But if I put it...
This is what mine looks like when I put the black light in it.
Anyway, so this is what it looks like on the purple light. It just looks
you
kind of
wanna
cool.
try it?
Purple light?
You want to try it on the white?
It doesn't work.
Gypsy only soda blackout.
Anyway, interruption again. Anyway, so here's just how it glows and stuff. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, pretty.
It's amazing, dummy.
Very call me dummy.
You slap me up the side of the head, I'll slap you upside the head.
We have an interruption again. Anyway,
Not by me. No, we don't, Lily.
so it just starts glowing when you put the light on. It's really cool. It's really fun to play with. I suggest you get this one. So, yeah. And you get a free black light, so you get to use that too.
You don't have
Fact, you can actually look for cat pee with this stuff.
and human pee, dummy. That's gross.
Works for human. Anyway, but yeah, and if you have any putty stuck to your carpet and you can't see it because it's like the same color, just start doing this and it'll glow. And it'll glow. And you'll see where the slime is.
With a pie.
So, Random singing time again from Avery. Ooh, America, America, oh sweet, sweet, sweet America, with donuts and pizza and little kids that dance in random things and be annoying like little brats. I will eat your face off. And do that. Okay. Eat Purple's face off, everyone. Again. We're playing the chocolate. Superman. Oh, Superman. Okay, guys. Thank you. We are almost done.
We're playing the donut game.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.